All right, what we have here is a 1983 Husqvarna 61. I have quite a few of these, so I got this one going. I got pictures of the piston and cylinder. Got some fuel and oil in it. I'm gonna do a cold start. It's about 72 or so outside right now here in Missouri. So I'll do a start of it here. I don't know what the tuning is on it, but it shouldn't be too far off. Saw's in really good shape. Obviously it's been used. It has a kind of a harder to find brake on it. It's the all metal one. There are a couple chips. Let's see if I can get to it. One right here, and there's a little bit of a corner missing right in here. I'd say it's about a quarter-inch piece that's missing there. I'm assuming from a thrown chain, but other than that, it's in great shape. I'm gonna go and take the brake cover off because these nuts always rattle off. See here, everything's in good shape. Has a rim sprocket on it. I'm gonna assume that's a 3/8. All right, let's give her a go. Don't get much better than that. I'd say it might be running just a little bit fat on the high side, but never hurts anything. Oh, there you go.